Hi everybody! Okay, so the first order of business is to do the drawing for the 3,000 subscriber giveaway for the free painting. So that's what I'm doing. Thanks to all of you who entered and left beautiful comments, and I really appreciate it. So I just basically cut up all of the comments, printed them out, cut them all up, copied and paste everywhere from Instagram and also the comments, and pulled this name out of the hat. So this is Gina711 Marie. Gina711 Marie. It was a sweet, sweet comment too. So she's the giveaway winner, and Gina, you need to contact me and send me an email, and we can talk about the painting that you're going to receive. So just congratulations, thank you so much. So this painting, you guys, the gold on here, I wanted to kind of call it like Zeus's wrath or something like that. The gold lightning bolt strike going through this painting is truly something special. I'm serious. So yeah, it surprised me. And something else that's going on this next week is my painting a day sale. It's going to be an auction on my Facebook page, basically. So I will put up a painting and you'll have 24 hours to bid on it, and then I'll let it go for whatever the price is. Of course, there'll be some starting prices and things like that, but so if you've ever wanted to own a piece of my artwork, this will be a great chance for you to do it, and you can find me at heathermaderart. So sit back, relax, watch the creation process of this video. It's really special, and actually I have more pieces like this coming that I just did today. So thank you so much, and I can't wait to make more art videos for you. forget to like, comment, and subscribe so I can make more art videos for you.